Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to see the next price targets and for Ethereum as well. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. And of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start. So right here on BTC USDT, 31.8k is the target that we were just craving for, and we were talking about that every single day in every single market update here on Mind Your Crypto. Right now though, what we need to do is to close above. You can see that this is the 31.77k, and you can see that we need to close above. We couldn't close above before yesterday. Look at that, we stopped a little bit down from it. You can see that, right? And the highest was 32.2k. Why was the highest at 32.2? Let's go to the baseline and you will notice something very beautiful. That on the baseline right here, if we go on the weekly frame, we have two lines. Okay, the first line sits at around 32.2k, and the second one is at the 31.8k. These are the two only lines on the baseline that we are having as a resistance level. So what Bitcoin did yesterday was to find sell pressure here and not being able to close above this line, right? You can see how beautifully technical analysis is, when you just see things that they collide perfectly together, right? And we will talk about the 31.8k. Again, it is a very crucial resistance level to break. If we can manage to break it above, then we can go towards the 33.8k to 34.9. 34.9 is a hugely strong resistance level. The good part is that if we close above the 31.8k, we have managed to do something very, very good. We have managed to go into the bull zone. Okay, above the 31.8k was when we found buying pressure on 12 July, and we can manage to close above and to get into the bull zone again. As long as we do not lose the 28.7k as a support level, anything can happen. I'm just telling you that anything can really happen as long as we do not lose this line right here, the 28.7k as a support level. In the days back, we didn't lose it. Instead, we were going all the way higher. Right now, we are finding rejection on the 31.8k that we were talking about. Let's go to Ethereum against USDT chart. Look at that. It found rejection on the 0.786 Fibonacci after drawing the Fib from the top back on 23rd May to the bottom on 27 May. I'm in the logarithmic scale, but even if you go to the regular, you are going to find symbol things and you're going to find similar things. Okay, but on the logarithmic, sometimes we're getting some better technical analysis and price analysis, especially in the shorter term. So right here you can see that we're having the 1.999k in which we couldn't be closing above. Look at that, 1,999, almost at 2k. Yes, of course we crossed it out and the highest was above the 2k, but right now you can see we got a little bit rejected towards this line. If we can manage to float between 1.999 and 1.932, then probably the most probable scenario right here, if we do something like this, is to go again upwards and to break it, going back up, maybe even to the 2.2k. Right here we have this resistance level, the 2.2k. It could be possible that we are going there for Ethereum as well. Okay, so everything is possible right now, but for BTC first, we have to close above the 31.8k. It is a very crucial line. As long as with the technical analysis, I am very optimistic that we might be able to do that. Look at this lower high pattern, lower low on the commode channel index. Crazy oversold situation kicking off. The stochastic RSI as well, with the oversold situation coming in, and the Fisher transform as well. Yeah, according to the technical analysis, we have as well, look at that. Look at how nicely we are having this bullish RSI. I'm not sure if it is bullish Williams, actually, not RSI. This is the Williams R pattern. Yeah, it is. Okay. So on the weekly frame, we have the higher low pattern right here, and we might be going even higher. So we have some nice technical analysis on the weekly frame. Okay, some pretty nice oversold situation kicking in that we can say that we have many chances into seeing the 31.8k. For the time being, we do not have any huge correction kicking off, and this is something that it is good for crypto. Okay, nor do we have a bearish RSI divergence, so we can say, for example, if we had a continuous bearish RSI, then we should be exiting. Okay, by the time we go here, we haven't formed any bearish RSI, so this is good as well. Okay, but we have a crazily high risk on the 4-hour frame, I have to admit that, so therefore you should be careful for the next few hours. For Ethereum against USDT, for BTC, it doesn't look like we are having right now, at least, a crazy correction that we are going down all the way here. Let's see, for example, right, maybe Bitcoin could manage to go down all the way to the 30.6k where it was the high, validate itself here, let's say, for example, and then we go higher. Maybe this is the case right there. We are going to wait and see. 31.8k, 28.7k, the most important support and resistance levels, and of course we want to see what Bitcoin is going to do and what Bitcoin is going to hold. If it closes above the 31.8k here, I found out, then yes, we can move all the way up higher. Some nice swing highs of relief finally for the crypto. We should be having here the squeeze point, bottom line of the Bollinger Bands approaching the top line. Here was the squeeze point part that we would be going even higher. Okay, so yeah, this is the part right here, and we eventually want to see what Bitcoin is going to do right now, if it does anything in the cards or not. If it doesn't, then I am afraid that we are going down again, but to the 30.6k, it is a normal correction. Below that, things are getting complicated. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.